Good morning. Welcome to Ouray.
Yeah,
wow. Wow. There's snowy mountains all around. We stayed at the hostel. There it is.
Need a boost of oxygen.
You can get your oxygen e-liquid or you can get your marijuana. Same place. Crazy bees. Hiking to Cascade Falls. It's a quarter-mile hike. Here's the lower Cascade Falls. It's a cute little trickle. Where are you going? Climbed right up in this little cave here.
I know.
Ooh, she's going down into our private little hot spring. It's our private hot spring at Weisbaden Lodge and Hot Springs. Ooh, you can see a mountain. Check out our view. Vapor cave. We're in the vapor cave. Oh, can't stay in there too long. We're in Box Canyon Park. Getting to see the Box Canyon Falls. It's just like Jurassic Park 2. I feel like there should be pterodactyls flying all around us.
Oh, yeah.
We are now hiking up to the high bridge over top of the canyon. Alright, let's go check this thing out. Wow, it's worth it though. This view here, these mountains, so cool. Whoa, Carolyn. Yeah, don't look through. Did you even see the mountains behind you? Look at that. There's a tunnel? All right. Not stand up. Finished in Ouray, we jumped on the $1 Million Highway and headed down towards Potato Lake Trailhead. Wow, they built this road in 1881. Ooh! $1 Million Highway. We found this super cool river. Whoa. It's like half frozen, but it's like yellow. It's toxic. Whoa! It does look toxic.
I wonder what mineral that is.
They're red, they're brown, they're kind of green. They're all sorts of colors. We made it to Molas Lake. .4 miles to Potato Lake Trailhead. We decided we probably could hike it faster than what we were driving it. Potato Lake via Spud Trail.
It's hilarious.
I know. Ready? Here's my debut.
Wow. Such skill. Ice dancer, David on ice.
Oh.
When will my reef reflection show who I am inside.
Got potatoes to rustle up.
Get that? Because russet potatoes is a type of potato.
I didn't know that. Yep. Alright, quick.
Russet potatoes.
Oh my.
Rustle up some russets.
She comes eating her Cliff Bar. Maybe a beaver.
Oh my goodness, should we go see it?
We're running to get a beaver. Yeah, he's still out in the middle there. We found a beaver. Well, this is a beautiful little lake up here. Thanks for joining us for another adventure, guys. I think this was definitely our favorite part of the entire Skyway, so I'd highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for a great Colorado road trip.